Fight Out Move to Earn Crypto takes the health and fitness market by storm. Get your 50% bonus now. Fight Out is a new move to earn project that has taken the crypto market by storm since launching. Investors are rushing to secure FGHT tokens in the first round of the pre-sale. The pre-sale is already more than 50% sold out, meaning interested parties have only limited time to take advantage of the bonus offer that can see investors earn up to 50% more in bonuses. The exciting offers for early investors are a driving factor for the hype around the project, but far from the only reason. Fight Out has already raised more than $2.6 million since launch. Investors and experts are excited by the ambitious plans of the high-potential project, which is developing a market-leading fitness app, is planning to build Web3 integrated gyms, and has already partnered with 4 world-class athletes to act as project ambassadors.